Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, kids. How are you today? I'm fine. Oke, teman-teman. Today we will learn about dice. Nih, di sini Miss Ica sudah punya dadu, teman-teman. Coba di dalam dadu ini ada apa ya namanya ya? Di dalam dadu ini ada namanya dot, titik, dadu. Coba kita berhitung bersama-sama dulu. Let's count together. 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, 5 dots, and the last 6 dots. 1 dot, clap your hand. 2 dots, stamp your foot. 3 dots, jump. 4 dots, click finger. 5 dots, wave. 6 dots, turn around and smile. Okay, thank you, kids.